Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, you know what we're going to do today, right? We're going to make another beef jerky recipe, guys. We're going to make something a little bit different today. We're going to make a wasabi ginger beef jerky, guys. You know I love my Asian food, right? I love my Chinese food. I love to influence my beef jerky with Asian flavors, guys. So wasabi ginger beef jerky here, guys. If you don't know what wasabi is often used with sushi. It is a spicy powder made from horseradish, okay? So we're going to use a powdered horseradish here, which is basically turns into wasabi when you mix it with water and lemon. But we're not going to add the water and lemon. We're going to strictly use the horseradish powder or the wasabi powder to make our beef jerky today, guys. Wasabi ginger beef jerky. So let's get started, my friends. We're going to use some teriyaki sauce today. Normally, if you watch my videos, you know that we use soy sauce, okay? But we're going to use some teriyaki because we want to infuse a nice sweet flavor, a little sweet and spicy with that wasabi, okay? Then we're going to use some minced garlic, guys. We're going to use some brown sugar, some black pepper, some powdered ginger, and then, of course, our powdered wasabi or horseradish, if you will. Okay, guys, so let's get started. Let's get these kids in the pool, baby. Let's get everybody swimming over here with the Fat Yankee. So listen, guys, as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's start putting these ingredients in, okay? So we got 3/4 of a cup of teriyaki sauce, guys. We're going to put that in here to our beef jerky. 3/4 of a cup. Okay, we're just going to put that in there like that. So now we're going to put some minced garlic in here, guys. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. There's 1, 2, and you can never add too much garlic in with beef, guys. It is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. We're going to add some black pepper here, guys. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let me just dry this off so we don't put it inside of our black pepper. 1 teaspoon. Now, I don't want to go crazy with this black pepper. 1 teaspoon is absolutely perfect. So now we're going to add our sweet. We're going to add our little sweet with this. We already got our sweet teriyaki. We're going to add some brown sugar. And I got this already belted out for us here. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, okay? I'm going to mix that around real nice later on, okay? 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to put our ginger in here, our powdered ginger, which is absolutely fantastic. Wasabi ginger beef jerky. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of this ginger, okay, guys? 2 tablespoons of ginger. Now, don't do heaping tablespoons with this, guys, okay? Because this has a very strong flavor. We want this ginger to be a hint of ginger in the background, okay? There we go. We got our 2 tablespoons of ginger. And now, we're going to add our wasabi. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of this stuff, guys, okay? Again, not heaping tablespoons. Level tablespoons of this wasabi powder, okay? There's 1. Crush that down. And 2. And 3. 3 tablespoons. Let me just knock the top of that stuff off. 3 tablespoons of the wasabi powder, guys. Okay, so we got all the kids in the pool. Check this out, guys. Very simple recipe that you can make at home. A little sweet, a little spicy. Look at all those beautiful colors. I love looking at the beautiful colors after we put all our ingredients in. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up right now, guys. Check that out. One more time, check that out. Perfect, perfect, guys. So again, wasabi ginger. Let's mix this up. So this is going to be a nice, sweet and spicy beef jerky. Nice Asian influence. Oh man, I can smell that. I can smell that. Nice ginger in there. Wow, and a nice teriyaki sauce. This is going to be real good. So guys, you know what we have to do, okay? After we mix this up, we're going to let this sit for 48 hours. We're going to sneak back in 24 like a little elf, and we're going to mix this up again after 24 hours, okay? Now, I get this all the time. People say, oh, why you got to marinate it for 48 hours? Why so long? I know you can't wait to eat it. So here's the thing. Look at this. I know you can't wait to eat it. Let me tell you why you got to marinate it for 48 hours. One second. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay? I'm going to dry that off. I want to show you this, what it looks like now. Okay? Beautiful. People always say, why do you marinate this for 48 hours? Well, let me tell you something. in the big factories where they're making beef jerky, they have these fancy vacuum infusing machines that infuse flavor inside the beef. Here at the Fat Yankee, baby, we don't have that stuff, and I doubt you have it at home. So that's why we put it here for 48 hours, hand toss it after 24. The longer it sits, the more it marinades, the more it infuses that deep, rich flavor into the beef jerky, guys. Wasabi Ginger Beef Jerky, my friends. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is the Fat Yankee. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Hey, thanks for watching.